If I'm to start any airdrop this year, it should be the Avantis airdrop. Here is why. Drift, Hyperliquid, and Elvo are one of my biggest airdrop of 2024. Drift valuing at $10,000 at peak. These three airdrops have a similar features with Avantis. Number one, they are all perpetual DEX integrated with deposits to earn a good APY. Number two, they all have a small amount of users. As I'm talking to you right now, there are less than 1,000 people farming Avantis right now. And the same happened to both Drift and Hyperloopy. Number three, they all have a good investors. And Coinbase is one of the lead investors for Avantis. Avantis have already confirmed their token and it will be happening in not less than 4 months. And I'm about to show you how you can actually farm Avantis to be able to qualify for the maximum allocation. Now I'll be sharing my screen to show you the details. But before then, you should know that every Friday, I'm holding a class on my Telegram channel to discuss the airdrop that I'll be doing every week. Try to join, not to miss out on any one of them. Now, let me go to my laptop.
A few moments later. I'm now sharing my screen from my laptop. Once you copy the link, paste it on your browser, avantisfi.com. And this is it. Now we're going to create a wallet. You can actually download any Web3 wallet that you like. We have the MetaMask, we have the Zerion wallet, we have the Rabi wallet, we have the Phantom wallet. Any ones you can actually be comfortable with, then download it. I'll be downloading the Zerion wallet from Chrome Web Store. So I'll add it to my extension, add the extension, and wait for it to download. And it has already downloaded. Now I will proceed to create an account. So to create an account, first of all, add my password, confirm password, proceed anywhere. So I'll mark up the wallet later. So if you are new to Zerion wallet, you can actually use my referral code to gain more SP. Now that I've created a Zerion wallet, I'll proceed to fund the account. To fund the account, what we're adding here is Ethereum base and USDC, because that's the two things that we needed to actually trade on Avantis. I'll copy my wallet address and go to any exchange that I like to actually swap, to actually deposit Ethereum or an USDC. But for most exchanges, withdrawing USDC from exchange might be difficult. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to copy this wallet address. Now go to an exchange and deposit some amount of Ethereum on base. Then I'll come back to Zerion wallet and swap this Ethereum base to USDC. Okay, now I have deposited some Ethereum on my wallet. Now I'll proceed to swap some part of it to USDC. So I'll click on swap and say I want to swap some parts. Let's say I want to swap 0.025, which is approximately it's $2. Click on review swap. So it is still swapping now, done. So now I now have both USDC and Ethereum to start trading. Okay, now we'll go back to Avantis app. Now click on launch app. So once you click on launch app, it's going to look exactly like this. But if you're using my link, it might just take you directly to this particular page. Then I would ask you to log in. So I'll click on login and click on Zerion wallet. Okay, click on terms, sign in. Next. So now that I'm here, I will now start the trading. So there are two things you can actually do on Avantis. First of all, is to trade to earn SP, and the second one is go to earn and deposit USDC. So if you're that type of person that doesn't actually know how to trade, or you don't even like to trade, but you have some spare amounts of USDC deposit, will be earning a good amount of APY, then just go to an earn section and select any vault you want, because on Avantis we have the junior vault and the senior vault. So this one actually gets you 10% base APR, while this one actually gets you 8.35% APR, which is annual percentage return. So if you want to do this, you can just click on it to open, and then let's say I want to deposit 10. Minimum you can actually deposit is 10. 10 USDC. So I'll click on this place and deposit. Remember, this is just an example. You don't actually have to deposit. You can just go say that I want to just trade, or I just want to only deposit. The minimum to deposit is $10, but you can actually deposit any amount you like if you have the money to actually do it. So I'll click on deposit. So transaction is successful. I've already deposited the $10 on this vote. I can actually come back anytime I want to actually withdraw this money. It doesn't have any lockup period. But if you like, you can actually decide to lock it to earn extra amounts of APR. So if you have it, if you want to lock it for some particular days, then your APR will increase. Now it's now be showing 20.33% APR. If you want to lock it to a kind of duration, let's say for 3 months, you'll be getting 20%. If I choose 6 months, I'll be getting 33%. So, but for now, I'm not doing this one. But if you like, you can actually do it. But it's also okay. And you can actually come back after, let's say I will lock the same for 6 months. After 6 months, I can actually come back, go to unlock, and withdraw my money back. So that is it for the end section. The same thing happens with the senior holds. So you can actually choose any one of them and deposit money to be earning SP, because anything you are doing on Avantis gets you SP, and this SP is what you are going to be converted to the token during the TGE. Now that is for N. We are going to go to trade. So Avantis is just a virtual trading DEX, just like a futures trading that you normally do on DEX, just like normal futures trading, centralized exchange, but some might actually be better and it might actually reward you better. So here on Avantis, we have different pairs of coins to trade, up to 50 of them or more than 50 of them. And you can also trade both commodities and even forex on Avantis. So which makes it even better. If you're a forex trader, if you're a crypto trader, if you're a commodity trader, Avantis is the best place for you. So for now, we am going to be choosing crypto. I want to be using crypto trading, for example, in this video. To trade on Avantis, first of all, come here and select the coin you want to trade. So click on here, on this arrow, and select the coin you want to trade. For this particular video, I'll be choosing BTC as the coin I want to trade because it has a 0 slippage. So I'll choose an 100x. So I'll click on it and it's just open like this. Now I'll click on, should I select a market order or should I select a limit order? So market order means that once I approve and place trade, my trade will start running automatically. But with limit order, I can actually say, okay, I want to set a limit and I want Bitcoin to reach before I actually start this trade. Let's say Bitcoin is at 95,800. I can say I want Bitcoin, once Bitcoin reach 9,500, that is $95,000, that I should start longing again. So I'll click on, okay, limit order. I'll set my price at 95,000 or 95,000. Then place also I want to use 50% of my money, or you can actually just type in the amount of money you want to trade with. So for this one, I'm choosing, I say I want to choose $30. Then I'll also choose my leverage, amount of leverage that I want. I can actually choose up to 100x leverage on Avantis, but I'll recommend that you should use from 5 to 20 to avoid liquidations. So the higher the leverage, the higher the risk is. So I'll be choosing 25 leverage here, which my position will now come out as 750. And this 750 will be the amount of SP that I will earn for this particular trade. So you earn 1 SP per dollar that you use to trade. So here you can actually say that I want to choose my stop loss, my take profit and stop loss. So I can say my take profit should be $97,000. My stop loss should be $94,000, while my take profit should be $97,000. If Bitcoin reaches 97,000, I'll make extra $15, and if it drops to $94,000, I'll be losing $7. So I've already set everything. If you are a technical expert, you can actually as well analyze your charts to know, because Avantis uses an indicator from TradingView, which actually gives you a kind of a well-defined chart for you to help you analyze your charts. So you have the 50 minutes time frame, we have the 1 hour time frame, we have the 4 hours, 12 hours, and so on. Once you finish analyzing your chart, you can now decide to place your trade. Let's say we have just analyzed our chart. This is what we agreed on. We are entering BTC at $95,000, and we are using $30 from the $70 that we have, and we are using 25x leverage. So our take profits, we set our take profits. Remember, not the amount that you must set this take profit. If I like, I will just turn it off and close it anytime I want, or close it anytime I want. I'll set my take profit, post my stop loss and take profit. Here they are telling me that estimate liquidation price is 91,000, loss rebate is 0, average spread is 0 slippage, margin I have to be paying 0.01 USDC every hour for to end this, like an margin fee. Then opening fee is 0.45 USDC. So now I'll click on approve and the confirmed transaction. So just like you, I'm trying to tell them that they have right to actually use my USDC. Now I'll click on place trade, confirm. So now I have actually placed a trade. So if I go to my limits, my limit orders, here I will be seeing BTC. That is the trade I entered. So this trade will have to wait for BTC to go down to 95,000, which is my limit price, before it can actually start running. For now, it is just on limit order. And just in case you place the limit order and it's wasting time and you feel like, okay, it might not actually hit it again, you can actually go ahead and cancel this particular trade anytime you want. So I'll go ahead and just cancel it. Click on cancel. So once I cancel this trade, my $30 will send back to my wallet immediately. So now let's actually place a trade using the market order. So now I'm using the market order. I'm saying that, okay, I want to enter the trade immediately. So I'm still choosing $30 to enter this trade with 25x leverage, with my position still at 750, and I'm still setting my stop loss at 24,000 with my take profit at $97,000. So now I'm going to click on approve again, confirm, then I'll click on place trade. So now I have actually placed a trade. So if I go to my position now, I'm now seeing the trade. The trade has already started running. So I've opened BTC trade and it is running. So look at the kind of gross PNL, that is profit and loss. Now I'm losing 0.01. And I will just leave, if I like, I can just leave this trade. I can just leave this trade to run. And when it reaches my take profit at $97,000, it will automatically, but just in case I don't want to wait for it to hit, I can as well close it immediately, or I can as well edit my take profit and stop loss. I can say I want to edit my take profit, my stop loss at that $93,000 again, and my take profit at $98,000. Okay, so take profit at $98,000. Okay, 95. Click on edit take profit and loss. Click on confirm transaction. So I've already edited it. As you can see now, it has actually changed. Take profit has changed to 98,000. My stop loss has changed to $95,000. You can as well. Okay, let me open a position again. $30 again. 25 leverage, stop loss and take profit. Let's say, let me open a position again. So it is running again. So you can actually decide to close just half of this position. Let's say I remember I entered with $30, and now I'm saying that, well, maybe I'm not that confident with that trade again. I can say, okay, let me just close 50% of this trade, and I can just close just 50%. So once I close it, it will now shows that maybe I'm now half of my $30 now $15, which means that I'm now trading with $15 instead of that initial $30 that I started with. Then I can now leave the rest to run. So that is it to how to actually trade on Avantis. So for now, this is the one I've actually ended, which I participated in it. And season 2 is actually the one running now. And that is it. Same thing goes with N. For each $1 that you deposited on this vote, you'll be earning an equivalent of it. So I deposited $10 here. That means I'll be earning 10 SP per day on this particular vault. Now I'm earning 10 SP per day on this particular vault. So also you can actually refer your friends. So if you come here, go as a trader, say enter a code, Achillas as a code, and click on save. So now current trading fee discount 5%, 5% off with any trading fee that you execute will be returned back to you for using this code. Avantis have already announced that their TGE will be coming off on that season 2 will be coming off on after 4 months. So Avantis have already announced that their season 2 will be ending in no less than 4 months, followed by TGE. And they say that the amount of SC or anti-SP will determine the amount of token that you're going to earn. So go to my Twitter, follow me, and keep the notification bell open also to be notified whenever I make an interesting video. And remember, class is every Friday on my Telegram channel to discuss about weekly update and weekly airdrops. So thank you guys. See you in my next video.